am with Jeff Timms, president of Microscan, and he is going to show us a bit of what the company has on display here at the show.
Okay. Well, first, thank you very much, Daryl. I really appreciate the opportunity. And one of the things I think that's important to understand is that no longer is Microscan simply a barcode scanner company. We have, over the last several years, very systematically put in place a strategy for the company that identifies and determines end-to-end solutions for three very specific target vertical markets. One being electronics manufacturing, that's why we're here today. One being medical and pharmaceutical, and the other one being automotive. So as we look at our market, the target for Microscan is actually the end-to-end solution to satisfy a track, trace, and control requirement for our customers on their factory floor. So from the receiving dock, through all of the manufacturing and storage processes, through the shipping dock, we end up with a full-blown track, trace, and control solution. Now that will require a whole litany of different, I'll call them sensors for lack of a more descriptive term, but single handheld 1D scanners, very complicated 2D handheld scanners, smart cameras, RFID, and then again the software to tie it all together. So it creates a very wide array of components, or wide array of sensors, cameras, imagers, RF devices, etc. All then integrated into the end-to-end solution.
And that's very important, the integration of these end-to-end solutions.
Absolutely, absolutely. And in fact, we've just really launched a track, trace, and control software to tie all of these products together, which then makes it very easy and efficient and cost-effective to tie all of these sensors into the main ERP and manufacturing execution systems. So from the very low end, a product that you might see on the manufacturing receiving dock would be a simple 1D reader, right? Read a 1D barcode on the incoming inspection. Moving up the food chain a little bit, we have a very high-end solution for 2D direct part mark. Now this one, and I'll shine it a little bit so you can see it, but you'll see the different lighting colors flashing through this. Different frequencies of light, different angles of light, different illumination methods, different illumination levels, all cycling through to read the very, very difficult to see, very, very difficult to decode marks that are stamped in the side of an engine block, for example. We have a full-blown smart camera. Smart cameras are essentially an entire vision system in a can, if you will. So full-blown processing capability, full VisionScape software package running inside the box in a standalone format, dual-core processor, high-speed processing, very, very powerful tool. So any kind of inspection requirements, any kind of complicated code reading, multiple codes in one view, etc. As you get into more complicated long distance and high speed reading applications, the QX Hawk, combination 1D and 2D, both label and direct part mark reading device. Again, dual core processor, multiple outputs, liquid lens technology for autofocus. This device has a field of view, or actually a depth of field from about a half an inch up to about 20 feet. So if you want to hang one in the rafters and read a code on a automotive chassis moving down the assembly line, you can do that. So what we have here in what we refer to as our fishbowl is a whole series of various scanners and imagers. So we have a 1D code on the edge of the spinning disc being read by a single laser line scanner, a mini reader on the side. Actually, this is an imager device reading. Actually reading a 2D code on the top of this spinning device. We've got a smart camera over here actually inspecting the dimensions of this fuel injector as it spins around. And then we've got a GIGI camera over here reading the characters, English language characters, and the 2D mark on the top of the injector as well. So, as you can see, a full line of sensors, cameras, imagers, and other devices, all tied together with the track, trace, and control software at the higher level.
Thank you very much, Jeff. If you would like more information, please go to www.microscan.com.
Thank you, Daryl.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.